If you're traveling from Haneda Airport to Kabukicho Tower in Shinjuku, taking the airport bus is one of the easiest options. In this video, we'll guide you step by step so you won't get lost. Let's get started. Most international flights to Haneda Airport arrive at Terminal 3. When you enter the arrival lobby of Terminal 3, you'll see a bus ticket counter where you can purchase tickets. In this video, we'll show you how to buy a ticket using a ticket machine. Simply follow the signs for buses, and then you'll find the ticket machines. Before purchasing your ticket, check the departure time on the display board above the ticket machines. Make sure to find the bus bound for Shinjuku Kabukicho. At Haneda Airport, various bus companies provide services to destinations throughout Tokyo and nearby areas. You'll find two types of ticket vending machines, blue and orange, each representing a different company. To purchase a ticket for Kabukicho Tower, use the orange vending machine. Now, let's walk you through the process step by step. First, select your preferred language. Then select Central Tokyo. On the next screen, choose Ikebukuro Shinjuku. Then select Shinjuku Kabukicho. Next, select the number of adult and child tickets and press Confirm. You'll see a list of buses with their departure times. Choose one that fits your schedule. A confirmation screen will appear. Check the destination, departure time, number of tickets, and total price. If everything looks correct, press Confirm. For payment, you can use an IC card, cash, or a credit card. We'll use a credit card here. Insert your credit card into the machine. Enter your PIN when prompted. It may take a moment to process. Once it's done, your credit card and ticket will be returned. Here's your bus ticket. As you can see, the bus departs from Haneda Airport Terminal 3 from bus stop number 1 at 11 a.m. The destination is Tokyu Kabukicho Tower. To get to the bus stop, you'll need to head downstairs. Just follow the signs for buses. You can take the elevator or the escalator. When you arrive at the bus stop, check the display for your bus's departure time and destination. Here comes your bus. Check the destination on the side of the bus to make sure it's the right one. If you have large luggage, you can hand it over to the staff. They will store it in the luggage compartment for you. Show your ticket to the staff as you board. Most seats are not assigned, so you can choose any available seat and get comfortable. Please note that there may be priority seats for those who need them. The bus is now departing, so sit back and enjoy the ride. The journey from Haneda Airport Terminal 3 to Kabukicho Tower takes about 60 minutes. Travel time may vary depending on traffic. We've arrived at Kabukicho Tower. Before you leave, don't forget to collect your luggage from the compartment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments or to ask questions, and subscribe for more travel guides around Tokyo and Japan.